Yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for still a Brainrot Roblox game, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on browse all scripts and then click on still a Brainrot. So guys, it will load up like this, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID in order to connect our account. So if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me quickly show you right now. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there and go to your profile and just copy your profile URL. So guys, in your profile URL there is your small user ID. So just copy whole profile URL and let's get back to our tool. Click on this button and it will automatically paste only your user ID. So just click connect account and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should quickly get your user found message, and then we got our account connected. Nice, guys. So before we select scripts that we would like to insert to our still a Brainrot, guys, we should have any any executor, but now we can import Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So guys, I have no executor currently and I will import it through this tool. So just click here, import new as Delta executor, and then we will have to select additional scripts that we would like to install. So I will select Forge Hub, Nikius, so Overflow and Soluna, these four guys, and click continue. So API will start connecting like this, guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So there we go, guys. Third step loaded up, API is connected, our four scripts selected are ready, and our activation key is there as well, guys. Now we will have to click on this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get then. So there we go, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected and now it's revealed, as you can see. Nice. So the last step is to open our Roblox and our still a Brainrot, and we will test it. So guys, let's see, still a Brainrot. Let's click play and let's rotate my phone. So guys, hopefully let's see does it actually work. So we will wait for this loading screen, right? And then we will test, are we actually receiving our Delta along our four scripts. So there we go, guys, we got our Delta executor. Nice, and then there we go, Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius and Soluna, guys, scripts as we selected. So let's click first on Overflow and we will test how does it work and do it actually working. So let's see, and let's wait a little bit so it loads up, and there we go, guys, we got this still a Brainrot script for free. Look at this, guys, player ESP, plot timer ESP. Look at this, guys. We can literally do whatever we like. Enable jump power. Look at this, guys. You can literally play. Look at this. Give all tools. Let's click there and let's see. So we got literally all tools. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. And let's test our jump power, guys. It works amazing. So we got still a Brainrot script for free, guys. It works amazing. You can do literally whatever you like, and we got it for free on bloxforge.com. So guys, bloxforge.com is only website that actually worked so far with these scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.